Steve Leonard at home. I'm here again to sensitize you to a particular phrase that is commonly used in a classroom setting. This is make noise. Do we say stop making noise or we say stop making a noise? These two expressions are correct in English. They are standard expressions, make noise and make a noise, but they are used in different contexts. When you mean an unclear conversation among learners in a classroom, then you refer to noise as on count now, as a mass now. Then you can say, stop making noise. Stop making noise. That is when you're referring to unclear conversations among your pupils, among learners in the classroom. You say, stop making noise. But when there is a particular sound, when you're referring to a particular sound made by someone, probably one of your students, one of your pupils, or one of your learners, you say, stop making a noise with that spoon. That means that there is a particular noise made with an object, which is a spoon. So that noise, that is what you're referring to. So in that context, you singularize the noise, you make it a singular. So you use it with an article A, that is a singular determiner A. So you say stop making a noise. That is when you're referring to a particular sound. It could be a clap, or it could be beating on a table, or it could be a sound coming from a spoon. So you say stop making a noise. But when you're referring to an unclear conversation among learners in the classroom, you say stop making noise. This is very simple, and I hope it's clear to you. Do enjoy the rest of the time. Bye.